Delicious homemade tomahawk steaks in a cast iron pot, along with some delicious sauteed mushrooms. And I'll show you when ready. But look how beautiful is that caramelization. Look how gorgeous. I absolutely love it. Now we're gonna turn that sucker right around. Beautiful. And it goes in the oven afterwards. Now we're going to stuff them. Mushrooms and sauteed onions. We sauteed the mushrooms with butter, garlic, salt and pepper, and we stuffed them and then put them in the oven. You can't really see it, your hands into it. And close it. Now we close them and stick this sucker in the oven, 350-degree oven. And this tomahawk steak is all done. All over. And now put some of those mushrooms on there. Here. Woo-wee! That's some sexy looking meat.
They play at 7:30.
Ooh-wee.
Sounds good.
Now this is the finished tomahawk steak. Look at how delicious that sucker looks. Baked potato. And we open it up. We stuffed it with mushrooms, sauteed onions. And that's the finished tomahawk steak. Thank you all for watching.